Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to edit XML file step by step. Start by opening the file in a simple editor and make a backup copy immediately. Then check the file for proper encoding and root elements. Use indentation to make nested tags easier to read and keep tag names consistent. Validate after changes and test the file in the consuming application to confirm your edits behave as expected. Use a methodical approach to edit tags safely and avoid breaking structure. First, identify the exact tag to change and search for all occurrences. Update only one occurrence and validate before proceeding to the rest. Preserve namespaces and attributes and avoid removing required elements. Use version control or numbered backups so you can revert if something goes wrong, and run automated checks or the application to ensure everything still works correctly. Pick tools that reduce mistakes and speed up edits while keeping a friendly pace. Editors with schema validation and auto-formatting help maintain clean structure. Run validation regularly while editing to catch invalid nesting or missing elements. If the file is large, use filtering or XPath to focus on the area you need. Keep backups and commit changes incrementally so you can track improvements without losing previous working versions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.